you want to get your elbow somewhat in front of you so that your body weight is behind it. If your elbow stays out to the side, your body weight is not behind it. When we define our center and our central lines, anytime you do, whether it's punch or ton, I want my elbow to travel along that central line. So as my elbow goes, if I'm doing a punch, I'm punching towards the center. I want that elbow to travel to that center point. So my elbow is moving in front of me. My elbow is moving in front of me. You're tending to leave your elbow in place. You're putting the fist out in front of you, but you're leaving your elbows, like, for you, it's like traveling on rails. And that's fine, but I want the rails to go this way. Yes. Yes. For punch, for ton. And believe it or not, yeah, and that's why we define that. And you do the same thing in boxing. I don't leave my elbow, I don't throw my cross and leave my elbow outside my body. I cross so that my elbow comes from here inward. I jab so my elbow comes from here inward. Same thing. You want to get your elbow somewhat in front of you so that your body weight is behind it. If your elbow stays out to the side, your body weight is not behind it. So then you're relying entirely on muscle. Yes, yes. And that goes for every single thing you do in Silam Tao. So like when you're doing this section, your elbow follows that line. Your elbow stays inside. Your elbow stays inside. Now it starts to come back out. When you go like this, it goes in. It's not going like that. And I'm not trying to get it in order to get this. I'm just headed towards that point, right in front. And so my elbow has to travel along that triangle. And especially boxers, for some reason, but especially bigger guys, they tend to they want to leave the arm out there. It's almost like what they intend to do, and you do this a lot, is you're going to turn to put your fist in the center, but you see I've left my elbow out. But I don't want to. Yes, much better, much better, much better, much better. So I tell you what, we can work some chain punches and you can work that.